Okay, so I tore the engine down. What I found is on the lower cylinder there seemed to be some surface rust, like moisture is sat there right towards the top, which I'm not sure if that's going to be a problem as far as being able to clean it up. It is an original bore. It's not an oversized piston, so pistons are in good shape. Let's hoping to be able to reuse them. Not sure because of this if I'm going to be able to or not. Might have to take it in, just have a marine guy look at it. I'm not sure who does the boring around here yet, but anyway, the crack, I thought there might be a crack in this bolt here on the cap part of the engine. It just turned out to be a casting. Pistons are in good shape, but as you can see, there's a little bit of surface rust just from moisture being in the crankcase on the rod. Everything else checked out pretty good. So I'm going to take this in, see what I have to do about this. The pistons are kind of expensive, so if it comes down to that, I'll have to make a choice. You know, everything else is pretty reasonable, and everything came apart pretty good. You know, the other issue is just the crank on that top cylinder had moisture in it and rust on it, so it's going to have lost a little bit of material just from rust, but I don't think it's enough to make a difference. So we'll take the cylinder in, have it checked out, see where we go from there.